In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor for a trailing stop for sell positions. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening MetaEditor, which can be done by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. The code begins by including the CTrade class from the standard library, which provides simplified trading methods like PositionOpen and PositionModify. We instantiate a CTrade object with default parameters to manage all trading operations, including position management. Next, we define strategy configuration parameters. These include the period for the simple moving average (SMA) calculation, which is set to 50 candles, the historical range for highs, which can be between 1 and 1,000 candles, the minimum age for a valid high, which ranges from 5 to 50 candles, and a trailing offset, which is a safety distance below the identified high, measured in points. We then declare global variables and handles to retain values between ticks and store indicator data. These include a unique ID for the SMA indicator instance, a circular buffer for historical SMA values, and an array for OHLC price data analysis. The Expert Advisor initialization function is called at the start to set up indicators and resources. We create an SMA indicator handle for the current symbol and H1 timeframe using the simple moving average mode and close prices. Arrays are configured as time series to align array indexing with natural time flow. Initialization is successful if everything is set up correctly. The function to open a sell position executes a market sell order with 0.10 lots, equivalent to 10 micro lots. It retrieves the current bid price for precise order execution and uses the trade's PositionOpen method to execute the sell order. The parameters include the financial instrument to trade, the direction setting for a short position, the position size, the entry price at the current bid, and a custom identifier for position tracking. No initial stop loss or take profit is set for this test position. The main function for price updates is executed on each tick or market change, forming the core strategy. It retrieves historical price data for analysis by copying H1 candle data for the specified lookback period. It also retrieves SMA values from the indicator buffer for trend analysis. The trend detection condition checks if the current closing price is below the SMA value to confirm a downtrend. If no existing positions are present, a new sell order is executed. The high identification phase finds the index of the highest high in the lookback period and extracts the price value of the identified high. Trailing stop activation conditions require the high to be at least min candles back old and the current price to stay below the identified high. The trailing stop level is calculated by subtracting the offset in points from the high price. The process trailing stop function is then called to update the stop loss for all sell positions. The trailing stop management function iterates through all open positions to update the stop loss. It selects positions by ticket number and filters them to ensure they are sell positions belonging to the current chart symbol. If the new stop level is lower than the current stop or if there is no existing stop loss, the position is modified using the CTrade method, keeping the take profit unchanged. Once the code is complete, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If everything works, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, pick the expert advisor we just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, feel free to send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor for a trailing stop for sell positions using a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.